Hi, I'm Heather Steingraber. I'm the Assistant Director for the online MS in Pharmacy program in the Department of Pharmaceutical Outcomes and Policy at the University of Florida. Over the years, I've spoken with a lot of students who are interested in advancing their career, going back to graduate school, and I'm about to tell you about some of the most frequently asked questions that I get in those phone calls. An important consideration, especially for an online program, is to think about what credentials you're going to earn in your graduate study. What's going to actually appear on your diploma? In our program, those in the certificate line will earn a certificate in their specific specialty track. Those in the MS program will earn a Master of Science in Pharmacy, concentration, Pharmaceutical Outcomes and Policy, and in addition, they're going to earn a certificate in their specialty track. So that's 2 credentials. Those in the concurrent MBA program that we have in conjunction with our partners at Stetson University will also earn an MBA from Stetson, so they get 3 credentials. Students in our certificate program are not required to come to campus at all. Students in our master's program come to campus once or twice. The 2 reasons they come to campus, one is for a comprehensive final exam at the end of their studies. The other is for a weekend seminar, always held in the spring, on our campus here in beautiful Gainesville. Now, some students can combine those 2 trips into one trip if the timing works out, so that they take their exam, for example, on a Friday, and then do seminar Saturday and Sunday. But many other students choose to break those visits up just so they don't have quite so much to do in a short period of time. Students who are in our concurrent MBA program, which we do in conjunction with our partner Stetson University, may have to come to the Stetson campus one time for a comprehensive final exam at the end of their studies there. Our on-campus seminar is one of the hallmarks of our program. It's one of the very best parts. Our alumni tell us again and again that they look back on seminars really fondly, and in fact, they want to come back and be involved again. Seminar weekend, always held in the spring, always on campus here in Gainesville. It is when all of our students come on campus and we organize sort of a mini scientific conference to talk about a focused issue. It's usually something that's upcoming or controversial in the field, and we bring together stakeholders from all different walks of the pharmacy and healthcare world. Average class size in our program, well, there isn't really an average. Students mostly start in the same course, which is a foundational course, and that will usually be the largest class, and there could be 50 or 60 students in that class. As students go through the curriculum and they get into more and more specialized coursework, they may get into courses with a handful of students in them, maybe 8 or 10 students.